Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today I'm so excited. Let's unbox. Nowadays, I like unboxing videos. I don't know why. But nowadays I really like unboxing videos. I'm so excited, guys. I got myself something. Yeah, so I decided I'm going to be treating myself. Someone told me you always care about other people, but you don't take care of yourself. You don't even think about you. And I said, what? That person was right. It's time for me to think about myself. It's time for me to think about me. What do I really want instead of what do other people want? So I got myself something. So this is something I've always wanted. Maybe something I've always wanted. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's something I've always wanted, and the day is finally here. You just want something like each and every day, and then the day is finally here. Yeah, and that something is here with me. Is here with me. God, I'm so excited, guys. So let's do this. Okay. Let me show you. Someone is saying, Carol, what are you waiting for? I'm not waiting for anything. Ta-da! My Yamaha. Introducing my Yamaha. Meanwhile, let me get scissors. My Yamaha. I really like this trouser. So I got it from Easily. Yeah. So this is a piano. If you're wondering, okay, what is it? You just see it's a piano. Yeah. I really love doing this. Yeah. So I got myself something to be keeping me busy when I'm free, when I'm sick. Yeah, because I just have myself. So I just wanted another thing to keep me busy. So my Yamaha will be doing that. Meanwhile, let's do this. Let me show you my Yamaha. Look at that. So this is a cable. This one is for connecting from the piano to the laptop or desktop. Then we have the power cable. And then the moment of the truth is here. And we also have this one. I guess this one is for putting here. Then you put your notes here. Also know what piano is and how it's played. If people understand. For those who don't, I'm gonna show you. Done. My Yamaha. Yeah, it's a piano, guys. It's a piano for me. Yeah, this is purely mine, not for anyone else. Yeah, so this is just a box. Now that my Yamaha, that name is being pronounced very well. My Yamaha. So it's brand new. Yeah, and I'm so excited, guys. Now, once you come to the house, kindly ask for music. Once you come to the house, make sure you ask for what? For music. From yours truly. So this is a box for the power cable. Just a moment, guys. So I'm gonna connect this to the electricity. Where am I? Where am I supposed to put this one? Oh, I've seen it, guys. I've seen it. So you can use electricity, and also you can decide to use battery. Yeah, but in our case, we don't have a battery, so we are going to use electricity. Yeah, that's what I mean. So let me connect here. Give me a moment. Yeah. So kindly, once you come to my house, ask for piano. Yeah. I'm still learning. I don't know how to play, but with time, I'll be a pro. Yeah, so what I'll be doing. Yeah, this is what I'll be doing. Yeah, once you come to my house, I'll be singing for you a song. That's what I'll be doing. Once you come here, now this is something I've always wanted for me. Like, yeah. I finally did it. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? And how do you spend your time? Because me, I want to spend, if I'm free, maybe like on a Sunday evening, Saturday, when I'm free, this is what I'll be doing. I want to spend my time here because at the end of the day, I don't go to parties, I don't go like anywhere. So this is what I'll be doing. So thank you so much for watching up to this time, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this, about me gifting myself? What do you think about it? Do you think piano is a good thing for me to gift myself? Because other people prefer other things, but me, I prefer these. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Because me, I prefer these. Yeah, this is what I prefer. So let's meet in the next video. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much. For those who are coming back, I really appreciate. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. Yeah, so let's meet in the next video.